Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to show you how to hook up your car to your vintage Caravan. In this case we're using a 1970 Alpine Sprite. So let's get to it. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that the tow hook is in line with the hitch. You can use many reference points. I use the top of the spare tyre. Once it's over the top, you're going to depress the plunger on the left hand side of the tow hitch and lift up. And whilst you're doing that, you're going to lower the jock wheel like so. Make sure that you do not release on the handle as it's depressing down, and that the jock wheel is fully off the floor once it's connected. Now that's done, you're going to unscrew this bar on the side of the jock wheel ever so slightly, and then lift the jock wheel up, and so it's out of the way for when you're towing, like so. Next, you're going to attach the safety cable, and what this does is if the tow hitch or the tow bar on the car fails, then it will operate the brakes on the Caravan. Now mine doesn't actually reach to the bumper, so I will get a new one at some point, so I've just put on the tow hook. Now we're going to put the electrics up. If you have got the wrong electrics for the car, you can get adapters from 13 pin to 7 and vice versa. Release the handbrake off the Caravan and check that it's fully down, and then check that the legs are up on all 4 corners of the Caravan. You can get a special tool, I just use an impact gun. Next we're going to be testing the lights, so put the hazards on, put all the lights on, and get someone in to test the brake lights for you. So you want to make sure that the lights left and right at the front of the Caravan are fine, all the rear lights are working, and your number plate lights. Then what I do is I tow it forward about a metre and pull up on the tow hook with a really big pull, and just double check to make sure that it's not going to disconnect. And then I make sure that all the electrics are still working, and then I go on holiday and have fun. So please make sure you like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.